Yeah, so today guys, we're taking the Audi S5 that I actually rebuilt. We're going to IAA, which is another salvage. Oh, look at this. Whoa. Samcrac finally finished his Focus RS. I rebuilt it on my channel, but last time you see me on this channel, I had the black FRS, but now I just finished up this Audi S5. And we're gonna go see IAA, see what it has to offer. We have never been there before, right?
Never, first time.
I've never been there yet. So we're definitely gonna go check it out, see what it has to offer. So,
but before we head out, let's take a quick look at this car. This one was actually purchased a couple months ago for less than $5,000 from the auction. And
no, I paid $5.5 with the fee.
This one only has what, 35,000 miles on it?
I bought it with 31. Now I have 34,000 on it.
So 34,000 mile Audi S5 convertible. And it's actually straight pipe too, so it's gonna be a fun ride there.
Absolutely.
Top down and straight pipe.
You definitely can't forget the part that this car has significant damage. It was hit in the front pretty hard. You'll be doing a full breakdown video on that later, right?
Yeah, full breakdown video coming soon with price breakdown.
But yeah, without further ado, let's go.
That was nice.
Just pay. Okay.
Huh? No, not
these
yet.
2 cars on this line.
Alright. So straight off the bat, we could see some Mercedes Benzes. I guess this is the motorcycle section. I really like how there's a roof protecting them from the elements. So, bunch of different bikes here. And then I guess this section is where they process the cars, like clean them, take pictures. There was that clip earlier from this morning of the Corvette being checked in. On IAA's website, you could add vehicles like this Corvette to your watch list. This allows you to be up to date when a vehicle will be auctioned off. It's a great way to make sure you get a bid on your next project car. So it just arrived. It's not even listed yet. It's a 06 7-speed manual. Oh look, it has the carbon fiber roof and everything. More fresh inventory. Over there they detailed the cars. As you can see, this Range Rover detailed. These are all the exclusive cars. This right here is a 2018 Ferrari GT-C4 Lusso, and it only has like what, 800 miles on it.
Yeah.
It is flood damage, but excellent condition on the outside cosmetically. It does not run or drive or start. I think they do that to protect so people don't start it up and damage the engine further if it is damaged. It doesn't have that much damage. Super clean interior. Airbags didn't deploy or anything, so nothing to replace here. And it doesn't smell like mold or mildew, so it must have been a low flood. Let's pop the hood. This car didn't sell yet. It's still for sale. And let's take a look under the hood. So under the hood, it's dusty, but I'm not seeing any missing parts. Everything's here. Oil cap, dipstick. Overall, super clean car. Even if the engine's bad, the parts alone are worth a lot. No scratches or anything. These headlights, the wheels, perfect car. This one here is a 2017 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG. Light hit here, no water damage. You can see some missing parts up front. But overall, light hit. Missing headlights, missing bumper cover. Underneath, there doesn't appear to be any undercarriage damage. Even this AC line is in perfect condition. Now, the good thing about this one, it's a 2017, 11,000 miles on it, and it comes with all the parts you need to repair it. So, over here, oh yeah, and airbags didn't even deploy or anything. So this one is definitely a good deal. No airbags, and it comes with all the parts. Back here, there's a small crack and a missing parking sensor, but that's nothing to be worried about. Super clean. So these are all the parts. There's the over fender that's missing in the front, the lower grille, the side grills, genuine Mercedes-Benz parts. I'm assuming this large box is the bumper cover. All the parts you need to repair are included with this car. The next car is a 2013 Bentley Continental. This one isn't really ideal to me because it has 60,000 miles, front end hit, and flood damage. So in my opinion, not really worth restoring it because of the high mileage, especially for a Bentley with water damage. However, the interior is very clean. Airbags didn't deploy. But the exterior of this one is in very good condition. Just some scratches back here. Back is perfect. Wheels are in excellent condition. But it seems like the suspension is sitting a little low. It could be bad air suspension or it's just aired out. Let's pop the hood and see what's going on there. So from first glance, it looks pretty clean under the hood, but upon further inspection, you can see the coil packs and spark plugs are removed. So this is probably because of the water damage, but that doesn't mean this is a bad deal. I think it's gonna sell cheap and it would be great for parts. The interior is perfect, exterior is perfect, and the parts value is very high on this. Next car I want to show you guys is this 2015 Nissan GT-R. So it looks like it's in perfect condition. Missing side markers, wheels are good. No scratches here. No damage in the back either. But this one is flooded, so because it's flooded, there's a big risk. You don't know if the car was running. You don't know if it was parked when it got flooded, so that would definitely determine how much it's worth. Inside is clean for the most part, but there's some moisture and the seat is actually wet. So it could have been a pretty bad flood. So under the hood, it looks clean for the most part. The body parts alone and the wheels are worth tens of thousands of dollars. So even if the motor is bad, there is some value in these headlights, wheels, bumper, hood, the entire interior. I guess that's enough of these 4 cars. There's hundreds of other cars that we can take a look at. So let's go see if we can find anything interesting. So I managed to find another GT-R. This is also a 2017, and this one only has 9,000 miles. As you can see, there's some front end damage. On the website, it's listed as flood damage for primary, and secondary is stripped. And you can see just the front bumper cover is missing. No damage on the side, but in the rear you can see the bumpers coming off. Some suspension damage back here. It appears that the exhaust is missing or just broken off. Let's take a look inside. It looks like some mold is starting to develop. And you can tell it's a 2017 because of the upgraded infotainment system. Under the hood, it's pretty dirty. It looks like there's some piping missing, but nothing crazy. Diverter valves. Overall, light damage up front. Now, we don't know the extent of the flood. We don't know if the motor's locked up. W. Carbon fiber roof.
Whoa! Whoa, this is nice.
Wheels missing.
No way.
It's not that badly damaged. Look, the wheel's just missing. The rotor and everything's still there.
This thing is nice.
Airbags didn't deploy.
Yeah.
M6. These wheels, though, not feeling them.
Some ugly ass ones.
Charger Hellcat. Yeah. The motor's probably still good. Other than that, maybe the calipers, some interior bits. Other than that,
yeah, that's nasty on there, right?
yeah. The exhaust is in front of the wheel. It got hit that badly. Okay, here's another nice car out in the wild. Panamera GTS. Oh, it might be beyond repair. It's nice how they cover everything up so it doesn't get water damage. This is definitely wouldn't want something like this. 14 Panamera GTS. Way too much damage. I don't know if there's any Hummer fans, but this one seems like it has very little damage. Windshield and flat tire. Oh, that's a lot of rust. There's the stock number. Let's take a look inside. Smells bad. Bad condition. So that's gonna be it for this walk around, but before ending the video, I wanted to let you guys know my friend actually bought 2015 Nissan GT-R from the same auction that we went to today, and he got a really good deal on it. It was a minor hit, and it came with a bunch of bonuses like the Alpha 7 kit, $5,000 set of wheels and tires. It was a run and drive, and it was a relatively minor hit, just a side swipe. And he's actually doing a rebuild on his channel that he just started, so definitely check that out if you like Nissan GT-Rs. And he also has a E92 M3, which is pretty cool. But I'll link his channel down in the description below and in the comment section, so definitely check that out if you're interested. And also, if you guys wanted to buy your own car or wanted to try out IAA, you can use the promotional code STACKS19, and that's going to get you $50 off your membership fee. So definitely use that code if you want $50 off. And that's it for this video. I hope I'll see you guys next time.